There were many anti-nuclear protests in and around the 60s. The first major protest being in 1946, which was in response to Operation Crossroads. Operation Crossroads were nuclear weapon tests conducted at Bikini Atoll. It was the first detonation of nuclear devices since the atomic bombing of Nagasaki on August 9th. Protests were taking place by scientists and diplomats who argued that the testing was unnecessary and environmentally dangerous. August 1955 saw the very first meeting of World Conference Against Atomic and Hydrogen Bombs. There were over 3,000 participants at the conference, many being from Japan. People saw the use of nuclear technology very dangerous and risky, and did not want to see repeats of the nuclear disasters such as the Kustrin disaster in Russia. This is why over time the protests got larger. Australia played its part in the protests with peace marches taking place across many capital cities. The marches included posters such as the famous Ban the Bomb placard, which is still used today. During the height of the Cold War in 1961, 50,000 women were brought together by the Women's Strike for Peace, marched in 60 different cities of the United States to demonstrate against the use of nuclear weapons. This protest was the largest women's peace protest of the 20th century, and due to its size, it was able to help push the US and the Soviet Union into signing a nuclear test ban treaty 2 years later. Protests in Britain didn't begin until the late 50s and early 60s. Well-known protests during this time included the Aldermaston marches, which took place on Easter weekend in London. The marches covered a distance of 83 kilometres and attracted tens of thousands of people. The people marched from Trafalgar Square to the atomic weapons establishment in Aldermaston, campaigning for nuclear disarmament. Overall, the protests were very successful in both pushing for nuclear testing to stop and in raising awareness on its effects and dangers.